Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. So today I have another video for you guys. I wanted to do a really nice, cute, easy to do Valentine's Day hairstyle for you guys, and this one came out absolutely adorable. So yeah, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button and let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, happy new year. Welcome back to my channel. So I have another natural hair tutorial for you guys. As you guys already saw by the thumbnail, this is a very gorgeous, classy Valentine's Day look. It's actually very quick and very easy to do, so if you're looking for a last minute hairstyle, this will definitely work for you. Yeah, if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified for when I upload my videos. And without further ado, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so my hair is slightly stretched out, as you guys can see, and my hair is already moisturized. I've been trying out some new products recently from 4C Only. I can't believe it took me this long to try those products out, but I have really been loving them. Like, my hair really likes the products. I'm gonna do a more detailed review later on, but yeah, for now I have nothing but good things to say about the products that I've tried from 4C Only. Anyways, I'm showing you guys how I section my hair. So you want to have a front section, middle section, and then the section at the back. So now for the back section, you're going to split it into a left side and a right side, and then you're going to twist the ends of both sides. So right now I'm twisting the ends of the left side, and then I'm going to twist the ends of the other side. So split the back into two down the middle, and then twist the ends of both sides. So you want to have two sides like this. Next, you want to take one side, pass it behind your neck, and pin the end behind the ear on the opposite side. So I'm basically taking the left side behind my neck, and I'm going to pin the end behind my right ear. I noticed I should have turned around so you guys will see, but it's actually pretty easy. Just literally take the piece and pin it behind your ear. And then you do the same thing to the other side. Take it, pass it behind your neck, and pin the end behind the left ear. Very easy, very straightforward. When you're done, it should look something like this. So let me turn around to show you guys. That is what it should look like. So now for the middle portion, I'm just brushing my edges a bit. I'm gonna take a hairband and tie that section up. Please, if you have any questions for any part of this process, definitely ask me below. I also left two pieces at the side that I'm gonna curl later on. But this is what my hair is looking like now. So for the middle portion, you're going to take it, split it into three. So you have a left side, a right side, and then one side in the middle, a thinner side in the middle. And then you're going to pin, roll and pin the left and right sides in the shape of a bow. Then take the middle thinner portion, wrap it, kind of twist it a bit, and then pin it down so that it forms a bow shape. So for the front, we're just going to do a really loose, big flat twist. One really loose, big flat twist in front. Like I said, if you have any questions on how I did the hairstyle, please ask me down below and I'll try my best to answer. But yeah, I hope the tutorial is easy to follow. So anyways, I'm just doing it doesn't have to be perfect, just a really big, loose, flat twist in front. So I was kind of trying to figure out how I wanted to pin up the front, just trying different looks. So I decided to go like this, and I'm just going to pin the end down with a hairpin. And if you notice, I don't use bobby pins anymore. I use hairpins now because they're safer for my hair. Anyway, so for the pieces that I left at the end of my hair, I'm just going to take a curling wand and curl those pieces. Now for the bow, remember the middle thinner smaller piece that I used to complete the bow. So I didn't want to tuck in the ends, so I just decided to leave the ends out and just curl it with a curling iron as well, so it will look like ribbons in the bow. So this is what it looks like at the back. So yeah, so that's the middle portion. The ends of the middle portion is what I curled to form the curly pieces. The middle portion that I used to complete the bow. I also got these hair accessories from Amazon. If you want me to link it down below, let me know. So I got these hair accessories from Amazon. It's actually 2 of them, and I put them on opposite ends of the bow. And that's basically how I did this hairstyle. So I went ahead and put on my dress, did my makeup and everything. And like I said, since this is a Valentine's Day look, I really stuck with the red theme. And red happens to be my favorite color as well. So yeah, I also put on some jewelry. And that's basically it, honestly. If you want me to link anything down below, let me know in the comment section as well. This is such a gorgeous, adorable look, and it's very, very easy to do. And honestly, you can do this on most hair lengths. I practiced this hairstyle on a mannequin head with hair half the length of mine, and it still came out really nice. And by the way, yes, I got a mannequin head to be practicing my updos now, so you guys are going to be seeing way more updo tutorials. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. I am absolutely obsessed with this hairstyle. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is such a gorgeous look. If you're looking for a last minute Valentine's Day hairstyle and for your natural hair, this is definitely a really nice and very classy one to do. I definitely have more fun hair tutorials coming up soon, so definitely stay tuned for that. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Let me know if this is a look that you guys will rock. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below on my face on this side. Also, do not forget to watch my other natural hair videos on this side. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.